But we just kept going and didn't stop. And 6 months later, we ended up with a completely redone truck it's a pretty badass truck. I mean, I did not spare money when we were finishing it. I just figured if we're going that far, we might as well just do the whole thing and make something cool. I mean, there's a lot of people that know me for the truck. I've had somebody stop me at the gas station before. Never met the guy in my life. He didn't know my name, but he knew I had a badass service truck. That's all he knew. I'm like, I have no clue who you are, but I mean, it's an older Kenworth truck.